Do you want to sound like this?
Or like this, without the need of ElevenLabs?
Then I got this free alternative for you. Voicebox is a free open source desktop app that runs locally and lets you clone voices, generate speech with multiple models, transcribe dictation, and give AI agents custom voices. The first part is to download the app. Therefore, open voicebox.sh in your browser. If you open the site successfully, you see this overlay and you can easily click on the download button and you get redirected to the page where you can choose your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I download the MSI version. Step 2 is then simply to search for your Voicebox MSI version, then click on it, just double click it, you will get this setup. I already installed it, just follow the setup, and if you're finished, you will see over there the Voicebox application. Now you can use the application. It should look like this, with less voices than me. Because I started already using some voices. For some informal videos, I usually use the Adam voice. How you can get these voices? There is like an import voice for something like if you have already a voice in ElevenLabs where you used it and exported, you can import it over here, or you can create a voice on your own. Therefore, we can clone from audio, so inputting your audio. If you're interested in this, we can have a look at this in the next videos, or you can use some built-in voices, which are already in there. You see, there are female voices, there are also male voices, English voices, and even some Spanish or other accents over there. I'm using usually the Adam voice because it's a male voice, which is more like an informal speaker. And I used it like this, created Adam, call it Adam. You can give it a description or call it personality, like how it's talking. You can change the setting of the language and not the default engine. I cancel it because I have Adam already. If you created it, you will see it over here to check it. Then select, for example, the Adam voice, and we can write in here to generate a speech. Easy as that. What we want to say is what we want to say. I can generate a speech, and then you will hear it.
What we want to say.
And it's easy as that. We can repeat it.
What we want to say.
You can start over here. You see your whole history. Not your whole, but a lot of history. I created so many voices, so the history is cut for me. And you can export your audio here. It will work in every simple editing tool like Premiere Pro, like Final Cut, etc. Because it's a WAV format. Because it's a WAV format. You can regenerate everything, and something cool over here is like you can check different models. Is the voice in a different model better for you or something like this? You can also make some effects. For example, like a deep voice. Then we copy this text over here and check what is the deep voice. Generate a speech again.
What we want to say.
And yeah, it's pretty deep, but in this case, you see how you can use voices. Then over there you have something more like stories, where you can create a whole story effect with more than just single words. You can make captures based on transcripts. You can easily export from Premiere Pro, for example. You can dictate something, see all your voices over here, and create more effects like the deep voice, where you can pitch something, etc. And for sure, you can also use other models. If you like this kind of video, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and like the video. It would mean the world to me. And if you want some more free AI tools or other different tools I should check for you, just comment below.